What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And Tony's excited because he's got 280Z parts. What you got there, bud?
Dumbbell.
Oh boy.
We got these freaking fancy air ride suspensions.
Yeah, that's not it.
Just kidding.
Tony's got
it's an S13 coilover
that we're putting on the 280Z. Yeah, we're putting it on the 280Z. But hey, quick back to this. So, how are you gonna put S13 coilovers on a 280Z? Come on.
So the rears are actually simple.
All right, let's show them. Let's show them a little bit, because you see the 3 bolts on top of there.
Yeah,
and then
you just gotta make
another little hole,
because they're just a 2-bolt system, but they're not angled like those.
Yeah, so it's not 3 bolt. So
and then the bottom's just strictly bolt on. So we'll probably attack the rears first, and then when it warms up outside, we'll open the garage, lift up the front, and tackle the fronts.
yeah, so it's gonna be tons of fun. So we're gonna get to it, guys. All right, so Tony's gonna get these wheels and tires off, and these bottom bolts, and then after those bottom bolts are off, we can take these top ones out. Other than that, it should be pretty simple. If you guys want to go check out our video that we did when we mounted mounted these tires, they still need balanced, but it is what it is, you know, at home projects. But these backs should be relatively simple. Ooh, Tony's gonna scratch up his wheels. Oh boy. This might be a little painful, but we'll be back in a second once we get these started going. All right, as you can see with Tony holding these in his hands, well, that one, but the old ones are out. You can tell, like, they're kind of beat up quite a bit, right?
They're bouncy.
Yeah. So we're gonna go and show you how to modify these ones for the S13 to put in here now.
We should grab one.
Yeah, Tony's gonna go get one real quick. Oh gosh. Ugh. Oh boy, he got it. Yeah, so this is the one, like basically same, just the top hat's the difference.
Yeah, so what we're gonna do with these is we're gonna throw them on the ground.
What?
Just kidding.
But
So,
wait a minute, what's the length like? Because
yeah, we should probably get it at least.
that's honestly probably lowered up already. That's a 3-inch drop in the back, probably.
Yeah, so you can just put them in there like that and see how it is.
Because we had extend that down a little.
Maybe
bit.
an inch.
Yeah, and then we'll have to check the spring rate and everything too.
You think this is already zeroed? No.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll have to see. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, but these are Godspeed coilovers.
No, these are same.
No,
brand as the turbo.
oh yeah, speeding rods, max speeding rods.
Yeah, they're like we said about the turbo reveal.
It's a Chinese company that's slow.
Yeah, they're Chinese. They're just eBay.
No, they're Chinese.
They are.
Yeah, I know. I looked at their website.
Okay, so they're Chinese guys.
Yeah, they're a Chinese company that is starting to make relatively alright products for the car scene.
We ran them on the Cobalt SS, and we didn't even get to adjust them, and they
surprisingly
didn't blow up.
Yeah, but other than that, it's.
I mean, check them out.
I mean, they make like pistons and rods too, but
That's
it's
pretty
nice
alright.
assembly. Yeah. Yeah. They come with everything. These back ones don't have camber on it, so it is what it is. But we're about to throw these in real quick, so Alibaba. Alright, so Tony's about to mark these holes where they're about to go. He needs to get new gas struts for this, but hey, project car. And basically he put a little bit of paint on top of both of those studs so he can see where he needs to drill the holes, and then that paint's just going to transfer over. Like you can just see there's that dot where those new holes need to be.
Hopefully this works out.
So yeah, hey, just easy way to know how to mark holes and then drill holes. So he's gonna drill these holes real quick. So let's go. Metal. Don't worry, I'll cut this part and record, time lapse this.
Okay.
You're dancing because you're not straight.
Might have to start with a smaller one. Move
Alright, well, Tony's trying to get this through now. Will it go? Huh. This is very interesting, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Tons of fun. Back again. Alright, so we finally got those top bolts in there. That was tons of fun.
Still need some big washers.
Yeah, so now it's time to move to the bottom. Ooh, let me close this right. Yeah, this hood definitely needs new gas struts.
Alright, I'm gonna put a little jack.
Oh, and jack it up. So now that piece just needs to go onto here. So that should be tons of fun. So get into that. Alright, yeah, that's just the bushing. So Tony's just lifting this up.
Oh, come on.
Is that maxed out?
Yeah, we're gonna have to get a piece of wood.
Oh, the jack is maxed out. Nice. So our jack's maxed out. So just get a little spacer, throw that in there, and blah, 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 blah. Alright, so finally got that up high enough where the bottom part of the strut goes in there. Just throwing that nut on there.
Oh, it doesn't even reach now.
It doesn't? Huh. Alright, so Tony's getting these bottom halves back in. They
20
came with,
years later.
They came in with like a weird spacer kind of thing. That was probably for the S13, but it's definitely not for this. So he's screwing that on right now. He's got a lot of threads left to go. But after that, we can get this mounted up. See how well we have to do the other side before we set it on the ground. And then, are we gonna adjust them first, or
Before we set it on the ground?
well, after we set it on the ground to see what needs to be done,
Oh, yeah.
and then move on to the front?
Yeah, the fun part.
Yeah, the front's gonna be fun. We already had to do a little bit of customizations over here. Alright, so we'll get back to you once Tony gets done threading that in. Alright, so Tony's tightening up lug nuts a little bit, but got this side in. You can see those up there. So once he tightens those up, we can drop this. You ready?
No, I gotta do this one.
Oh, he's got to do the other side too real quick. Then we can drop this. See how these look over here. Don't have the fender flares on the other side yet. You'll see that in an upcoming video because we're trying to keep everything like exterior video. You know, we're trying to stay organized a little bit. But we'll see how that goes because, like we said, we are wrapping this car, blah, blah, blah. Tony got the wrap. If you guys want to guess what color the wrap's going to be in the comments. Neighbor Al's driving by out there. Don't know if you can see him in his slingshot. That we also have a video on. You can check that out. I'll link that up here. But hopefully Tony's ready for this. He needs to get the right lug nuts for it. Some ARP hardware for the wheel hubs. But we ready?
Yeah, drop it hard.
All right,
This needs to be
ready to
shut.
record it. You want to hold that? Oh gosh, what are you getting?
Alright, we are good. Oh.
That is touching.
Is it? Is it resting on the body?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, we'll have to get that off the tire. Yeah, as you guys can see, that's some body would need to be adjusted, as in cut.
Tell me when it's off.
That's good.
I think it is.
Yeah, it's off.
Yeah, so honestly right there will be a good fit.
The spacers are kind of disappointing.
Oh, the wheel spacers?
Yeah.
Let me see camera. So that's not bad. Yeah, we'll have to work the body to get good with that. But we're gonna move on to the fronts now, guys. So Alibaba. So moving on to the front end. Bottom of the car's dirty. It hasn't really moved from the garage. But these 3 bolts on top, right here, gotta get taken out. And that bolt down there needs taken out. Tony's over here working on this. Blah, blah,
Yeah.
blah. And hey, if any of you guys are going to do an LS swap and need an E38 LS Gen 4 computer, hit us up because we just have one laying around because we're just going to use a Lingenfelter conversion box for Tony's wiring.
Yeah, we are.
Because Tony doesn't feel like stripping another harness down and everything and making a standalone. But we're going to do these right now. So we're going to get to it. Alibaba. Alright, so Tony's working on getting this front strut out. Just 3 bolts on top. There's tons of fun down here. I'll go show you on the other side because he already got the other side out. Tons of fun, tons of fun. So the old strut's actually connected to the knuckle back here, and tons of fun. So basically just taking that ball joint off of this piece right here, calipers over there. But this piece is a new front one, and it just either slides on over there or you just get a little extension that goes there. So it's a lot of fein dangling, you know, customization, but hey, it's something that other people have done before. And how do we feel about fein dangling, Tony?
Oh, we love fan dangling.
You know? But we'll show you that part when we get to that part. So, alaba. Alright, so these fronts, very unique, very different. Have to go and put these lower mounts onto here, weld them up. Cause, where's that one? It was over there. It's not anymore. But these hubs are independent. So Tony's actually over here cleaning this one up right now. So there we go. So we're gonna clean the welds up too.
Might add more.
Yeah, so more of that amazing bubble gum. But other than that, we're gonna keep working on these fronts and then get them in real quick and then get them adjusted a little bit. So alaba. Oh look, it's our nice little Cobalt.
He
SS
never looks at us.
Yeah, but got these top hats cut off so we can put this adjustment. Ooh, hear that nice little Cobalt. But got those top hats cut off so we can get that nice little adjustment piece in there. Anybody want a free, used, slightly used LS head gasket? hit us up. But got those out there so we can adjust the camber and everything from up here. Kind of need to clean that up just a little bit, but hey man, I'm pretty skillful with a grinder, am I not?
Yeah, what do you?
But we're about to throw these in there. Other than that, stay tuned. All right, bye. All right, so Tony's starting to piece together this what you would call bottom suspension, and he smoothed that up here. So basically, after he gets all these thrown together, should be all good to throw this in though. I know we've been alluding to it for a little bit now, but next clip, you will see these go in. Aleba. Alright, so Tony's about to throw these in here. Will it go? Oh, come on, line it up. Line it up right. Oh, come on. Oh, there we go. Why, man? Dude, there we go. These are almost in. That looks like that needs cut out more. You see it? No, you don't see it because you're still down there. Yeah, that looks like it needs cut out a little bit more. You know, so it sits flush. So drop it, would you? Or
It is.
Oh, all right, cool. Well, it's in there. Looks pretty all right. Blah blah blah. So we're just gonna have to clearance this a little bit more, and then everything should be all right. So we're gonna get this done and come back with you once it's over, because I'm starting to hate time lapse. Aleba. Alright, so Tony's just getting this lower control arm mounted back up to the wheel hub and the strut. So tons of fun, but this in there, clearance good enough, you know.
Right, now we'll go back through like the whole car. We have a lot to, once it's done and it's actually able to move, we'll go back through and really perfect things.
Yeah, which probably brings me to a video idea after this is done and we reveal it and blah 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 blah. We'll probably have another video titled Stuff That Needs Fixed on the Z or Buttoned Up. But hey, that's another video after everything's done. Oh, nice shoulder, bud. But yeah, Tony's getting in there, getting that done, and we'll just have an outro for you guys in a second. So, Alibaba. Alright, so we're back here. It's done. It's a couple days later because I didn't realize my video file for our outro was corrupt.
By terrorists.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
The Terry's gonna get you. But this is actually looking pretty swell. Almost fell and broke my knee again. But that's looking pretty swell right there, bud. We got more adjusting to do though, right?
Yeah, S13 coilovers on a 79 though. It's doable, just like everyone's been doing.
Yeah, so this is working out pretty well. Dude, and it's looking pretty sharp. Tell us below in the comments, guys, what you like. Do you like them with the fender flares or without? Like, which side's better? Like this side over
we
here?
also break the news.
Nah.
Alright,
We'll see.
alright.
We'll see. But other than that,
Suspense, guys, suspense.
yeah, S13 coilovers do fit on Datsun pretty well.
Yeah, do it,
But-
guys. All the kids are doing it.
Yeah, so if you could just hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave us comments on should we keep going with the fender flares or should we take them off, blah blah blah. Just give us your opinion. Other than that, final words, Tony?
Don't do drugs.
Don't do drugs, kids. Alibaba.